my name's Bonnie and this is Happy Space Create. If you are new here, hello, welcome, thank you so much for joining me today. You can follow me if you want to see crafting related content and sewing videos posted to you every week. So please do subscribe down below if that's something you would like to see. Today I'm going to be filming with you some April sewing plans. I've actually never done a sewing plans video before, so I do actually hope that I follow through with all the things I'm telling you I'm going to make. We are coming closer towards the end of our British lockdown period, so that means from the 12th of April all of our shops will be reopening, which means I go back to work next week. So hopefully it's not going to be too stressful and I will still have time to sew, but I'm going to share with you what I plan to make this month. I do actually have my notes written down as well, so please do excuse if I keep looking away at them because there's so much to remember. So let's get started and I'll tell you what's going to go on. So the first thing I plan to make throughout April is the Elliot top by Cool Stitches. I'll insert a little picture right there. I've seen loads of people making these tops. I think the pattern's been out for quite a while and I saw it a lot last summer. Now that we are going to be allowed to go and drink outside in pub gardens, I am so excited. Me and my girlfriends have got loads of little excursions planned. So I would like to make a little top to wear just with some jeans and maybe a cardigan, or just something that's suitable for like transitioning throughout the great British weather that we have. That I will be able to wear on little cocktail drink out. So the Elliot top is perfect for that. So I plan to make it out of this rust coloured viscose. I purchased this online from a shop called Fabric Pro. They are on eBay, by the way, so do look out for them. This was, I think, £5.99 a metre. Let me just check. Yeah, £5.99 for the metre. It has got the most beautiful drape. And what I love about this is it's completely opaque. You can't see through it at all. Now, if you have had a chance to see the Elliot top online, loads of people are making them out of these lightweight, beautiful fabrics. Some people are making them out of like voile, linen, cotton, broderie anglaise, so many nice things. And I just thought this little plain coloured viscose would be the perfect, like, anytime. You know, like everyone has that jeans and a nice top outfit. That's going to be my jeans and a nice top outfit. So I'm going to make the Elliot top out of this viscose fabric. Moving on to my, hopefully, second outfit that I plan to make throughout April is the Nina Lee spring dress. Now, this was actually a free pattern that came in last month's Simply Sewing magazine. This was an exclusive dress. And on the Frugal Frocks challenge, I saw loads of people making this. And I just had to have one, obviously. So this is almost identical to a dress that I saw in New Look last year. As you can see, it's got like tiered skirts and then these beautiful little ruffle sleeves and these cute ties, which I really love. As I said, I saw one in New Look last year, made out of black gingham. So guess what I'm going to make mine out of? Black gingham. I love gingham. I have so much in my stash. This is actually from Minerva Crafts. I got this a little while ago, probably back in January time. It's actually more of a seersucker because it has quite a texture to it. But I absolutely love this. I think black gingham is brilliant. It goes with everything and it is that perfect like spring, summer print. Like, you know, you could just wear it with everything, can't you? I'm thinking of the spring dress in black gingham with some lovely little like boots and like a denim jacket. Again, pub gardens all the way. So that's what I'm planning to make. I have seen a lot of people comment on Instagram when they made their spring dress that it does come up a little bit short. So I am actually going to lengthen the pattern and then take it up if I feel like I need to, because I'm not exactly tall, but I don't want to have to wear leggings or tights with this dress. I want it to just be a standalone dress. And some people mentioned that they wouldn't wear this without tights or leggings. So I'm actually going to cut mine a bit longer and then chop off fabric where I need to. Best to go longer than shorter. So the next thing I'm hopefully planning to make in April is, it's not really going to be a finished like garment, it's basically just some experimenting with this. So it is the Rose Cafe Bustier dress. Now I'm planning just to have a little play around with the top part of it. I've never ever made a pattern like this before, and I just basically don't know where to start. So before I go cutting up some really expensive, gorgeous fabric, I have dug out some remnants in my stash. So I've just got I've got like a scrap size, maybe about 80 centimeters, actually probably not even that, of this blue, like large gingham. I actually made some pajamas out of this. So this is just what's left over. And I'm just planning on working on like the fitting process and the construction of it. Just because I don't want to waste nice fabric. I want to be able to feel confident in the sizes and everything when I do make it for real. So I've got some little blue gingham that I'm gonna make the first fitting out of. And then hopefully when I get the fitting right, I'll be able to make a little top out of this gorgeous cotton lawn that I have left over in my stash with lovely little butterflies on. I actually purchased this fabric when I was making loads of face masks during the pandemic. So this is just what I've got left over. So again, hopefully I'll be able to make a cute top out of that. And I do have some fabric that I've got as a scrap of that I'm going to use for the lining. So that's really just like to have a little play around with it, really, just so I get it right. So that's what I'm planning to make throughout April. Do join me next month if you want to see how I get along. If you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe back down below. And if you would like to see how I get on every day, do come along and follow me on Instagram as well, which is @HappySpaceCreates. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to see you really soon. Bye!